Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Crafty Rabbit World. So today we are going to make a calendar for our desk. It shows date, month and day. So if you want to see how we made this calendar, please watch the video till the very end. So let's start. So to make this calendar, we will need some colorful paper, some glue, a scissor and some decoration paper if you want to decorate it, and a A4 sheet to make the base of the calendar. So let's start. So we made this really cute calendar for our desk. It is really cute. You can change dates like this. And if you want more craft ideas like this one, please like our channel, share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel to be a part of our channel and get a notification when we post a new video.